Have you ever had a migraine so intense, it felt like your head was caught in a vice grip? The lights hurt. The noise hurts. Even thinking hurts. I used to get migraines twice a week, sometimes even more. Medications helped, but they also left me foggy, tired, and dependent. That's when I began searching for natural solutions, and what I discovered surprised me. Over 1,000 years ago, a brilliant physician named Avicenna, or Ibn Sina, wrote The Canon of Medicine, one of the most influential medical texts in history. In it, he described how certain plants and herbs could ease migraines by calming the nervous system and improving circulation. His favorite migraine-soothing trio? Clove, ginger, and lemon peel. Today, let's explore this ancient remedy, one that modern science is finally starting to catch up with. Clove contains a compound called eugenol, a natural pain reliever. It's so powerful that it's used in dental anesthetics. Clove also reduces inflammation in the blood vessels that can trigger migraines. Ginger, on the other hand, is a natural anti-inflammatory and nausea fighter. It contains compounds like gingerol and shogale, which work similarly to ibuprofen without the side effects. In fact, one study found ginger to be just as effective as prescription migraine medications in reducing pain. And finally, lemon peel. While it may seem simple, it's packed with antioxidants and citrus bioflavonoids that improve blood flow and reduce stress on the brain's vascular system. Its scent alone can be calming during an attack. Now let's prepare the remedy. You'll need 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 3-4 whole cloves, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon peel, grated, 1 small cup of hot water, optional, 1 teaspoon of raw honey for flavor. Instructions. Start by lightly crushing the cloves to release their oils. Combine them with the ginger and lemon peel in a cup. Pour in the hot water and stir gently. Cover the cup and let it steep for 5-7 minutes. If you like, stir in the honey and enjoy it slowly. As you sip, take a moment to breathe in the steam, the spicy warmth of ginger, the sweet sharpness of lemon, and the soothing scent of clove. It's not just a drink. It's part of the healing experience. Find a quiet, dimly lit space. Lie down or sit back comfortably. Close your eyes and let your body begin to relax. This ritual alone, combined with the natural compounds, can bring surprising relief. Of course, no remedy works for everyone. If you suffer from chronic migraines or take medication, it's important to consult your doctor before trying anything new. And if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or allergic to any ingredients, please be cautious. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or replace professional medical advice. But if you're someone who believes in the healing power of nature, someone who wants real, honest, time-tested remedies without synthetic chemicals, then you're in the right place. Subscribe to Nature's Remedy TV for more natural wellness solutions, rooted in ancient wisdom and backed by modern understanding. Sometimes healing doesn't come in a bottle. It comes from a plant, a cup, and a quiet moment of care.